Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel SG Education. Today we will see class 10 subject science part 2 chapter 9 social health exercise solutions. Question 1, fill in the blanks with appropriate word. A, laughter club is a remedy to drive away fill in the blank. Answer, stress. B, alcohol consumption mainly affects fill in the blank system. Answer, nervous system. C, the act fill in the blank is to control the cyber crimes. Answer, IT Act 2000. Question 2, answer the following. A, which factors affect the social health? Answer, in order to maintain the social health of any community, there should be good amenities for the people. Example, food, water, shelter, clothing, medicines, and medical help. Equal opportunities for education, cleanliness of the surroundings, transport facilities, etc. should be properly provided. The social and political conditions of the surrounding should be such that there should not be any connections with word of criminals. The presence of such criminal ties can affect the social health to a great extent. The gardens, playgrounds, the empty plots for outdoor games, sports clubs, etc. are important criteria for overall development of the society. This results into personality development and make people happy and strong. Addictions, criminal tendencies, pervert behavior and preserve thinking affects other people in the society, and this reflects negatively on the social health. Having large number of friends and relatives, proper use of time when alone and when along the peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for others build stronger social health. Question B, which changes occur in persons continuously using the internet and mobile phones? Answer, when a person continuously remains in contact with mobile phones, many physical problems can arise. Tiredness, headache, insomnia, forgetfulness, tinnitus, joint pains, and problems in vision occur due to radiation emanating from the cell phones. For young children, this is more disastrous as this radiation can penetrate through their bones. By logging into the internet for a long time, persons become solitary. Such individuals are unable to establish harmonious relations with relatives and other people around. They tend to become self centered and selfish. They lose sensitivity towards others. Such people never take any social responsibility and the social health is thus disturbed. Question C, which problems does the common man face due to incidences of cybercrime? Answer, the numbers of Aadhaar card, PAN card, credit or debit card are obtained by the cheaters. This is a cybercrime. The PIN number can be misused and the money can be withdrawn from the bank accounts. The looters withdraw cash from our accounts in this way. People can be cheated during online shopping. Fake account on Facebook is opened and false information is displayed on it. Through such accounts, the girls are emotionally and financially exploited. Electronic media are misused for sending derogatory and vulgar messages, vulgar pictures, and provocative statements. Through the internet, hackers can send virus to crash someone's computer or even mobile phones. In all such different ways, common people can be victimized by cybercrime. Question D, explain the importance of good communication with others. Answer, nowadays there is fierce competition insecurity, and criminal tendencies in the society. This kind of atmosphere is increasing mental and emotional stress. If the stress remains buried in the mind, are depressed or frustrated. This causes mental disorders if not treated in time. Depression can lead to addictions. The suicidal thoughts can come in the mind. If at that phase we can open our heart by good communication, many problems can be solved. Help from counselors can be taken to relieve the stress. By good communication with parents or family members, harmonious relations can be re established. Question 3. Solve the following crossword. First, continuous consumption of alcoholic and tobacco materials. Answer, addiction. This app may cause cybercrimes. Answer, Facebook. Third, a remedy to resolve stress. Answer, singing. Fourth, requirement for stress free life. Answer, good food. Fifth, various factors affect fill in the blank health. Answer, social. Sixth, art of preparing food items. Answer, cooking. The solved crossword is given below. Now, question 4. What are the various ways to minimize mental stress? Answer. The ways of stress busting are as follows. First, laughter club. People gather together and laugh collectively to reduce stress. Second, good communication. One should establish good communication with friends, siblings, cousins, teachers, parents, or anybody in whom we can confide and express our feelings. Third, writing. By writing and noting the thoughts, we feel relieved. We can confess and analyze about our mistakes through writing to reduce our stress. Fourth, hobbies. Collecting, curious photography, reading good literature, music, cooking, gardening, bird watching, keeping a pet, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli, dancing, etc. are such hobbies which are necessary for utilizing our spare time by creativity. Pursuing hobby is the best way to be stress free. Music, in particular, is said to change the negative thoughts. Therefore, listening to music, learning the music, and singing helps to fight stress. By admiring nature too, stress is relieved. Fifth, outdoor games and physical exercise. By participating in the sports, there are various benefits such as physical exercise, improving discipline, interaction with others, and creating the tendency of unity, becoming more social and reduce stress. Question 5. Give 3 examples of each. A. Hobbies to reduce stress. Answer. First, to listen to music. Second, bird watching and nature trails. Third, reading good books. Question B. Diseases endangering the social health. Answer. AIDS. Second, tuberculosis. Third, leprosy. Question C. Physical problems arising due to excessive use of mobile phones. Answer. Headache, vision problems, and joint pains. Question D. Activities under the jurisdiction of cybercrime laws. Answer. First, to do bank transactions by procuring PIN number of somebody. Second, misuse of written material of someone or illegal sale of the same. Third, hacking the information of government institutes and companies. Question 6. What will you do? Why? Question A. You are spending more time in internet or mobile games, phone, etc. Answer. In life, the time once spent never returns back. We therefore must use our time for studies, exercise, or outdoor games, and some entertainment. In the free time, we must also help our parents in household work. But if we are spending hours together on surfing the internet without any perfect aim or playing the computer or cell phone games, it is total waste of time. There are many inappropriate sites on the internet which should not be watched. This causes stress. Continuous use of mobile phone and being hooked to the social media slowly becomes an addiction. If these bad habits are creeping in us, we must try to leave the habits by conscious change. Question B. Child of your neighbor is addicted to tobacco chewing. Answer. The hazards of tobacco chewing will be explained to this child. Different photographs and videos showing the conditions of oral cancer will be shown to this child to persuade him so that he can stay away from tobacco. This addiction has to be removed so help of his parents will be taken. They will be told that about the child's habit and asked to help him free from his addiction. Question C. Your sister has become incommunicative. She prefers to remain alone. Answer. The individual who prefers to be incommunicative has lots of thoughts in his or her mind. If this is the case with sister, she will be taken into confidence and the reason behind this lack of communication will be found out. Most often such persons have depression. So she will not be left alone. Her friends will be invited at home so that she can converse with them. She should be motivated to mix with her favorite people. She should be encouraged to pursue her hobbies. She should be helped in selecting such work. If nothing changes her, then the help of counselor should be taken. Question D. You have to use free space around your home for good purpose. Answer. The free space around our home can be used to make a small garden. The garden soil can be bought and sprayed in this free space. Small saplings can be planted here and nurtured for further growth. Nursery of saplings can also be started in this free space. The space can also be used for outdoor games. The net for badminton can be fixed and evening times can be spent in playing the game. Also, care will be taken to keep the space clean and without any garbage. Question E. Your friend has developed the hobby of snapping selfies. Answer. The habit of continuously taking selfie is bad. It shows that the friend is constantly thinking of himself only. His self-centeredness is to be removed by counseling him. The reason behind this behavior should also be understood. He should be diverted and motivated to take some other tasks so that his habit can be lessened. Taking selfies is not a hobby, it is a bad habit if someone is repeatedly engaged in it. Question F. Your brother studying in 12 has developed this stress. Answer. The syllabus for class 12 is vast. If the studies are not taken seriously from the beginning of the academic year, then the stress develops due to the fear of examination and result. Therefore, instead of being stressed, he should practice time management and study schedule. He should think of only one subject at a time. The atmosphere in the house should be maintained happy and tension free. Everybody in the house should interact with him so that he gets a feeling that he is not alone. He should be convinced study is for you and you are not for study. Question 7. What type of changes occur in a home having chronically ill old person? How will you help to maintain good atmosphere? Answer. If there is a chronically ill old person in the house, the entire atmosphere of the house changes. There is tension and grief in the house. Doctors' visits to the house become routine. The ill person's diet and medicines are strictly followed. In such times, everybody in the family should contribute to the work of taking care of the patient. We can help in bringing medicines. We can sit beside the patient during night time. We should maintain pleasant atmosphere in the house. We should help the person who is burdened by the duties towards the sick patient by helping in whatever little ways that we can. Our Chapter 9 Social Health Exercise Solutions are completed. If you like this video and you want to see the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel SG Education. Thank you and keep watching my YouTube channel SG Education.